colleagues, friends, and students. It is with the greatest pleasure that I'd like to present you a topic of future problem-solving skills. In this part, we'll learn the concepts of problem-solving, future problem-solving, and SSS ACE as a tool for future problem-solving skills. The concept of problem in creative problem-solving is taken to mean any situation that needs improvement. A problem can be any obstacle that prevents someone from achieving a desired goal. A problem can either be small-scale or large-scale. A small-scale problem can be a problem that happens to someone who is infected by the flu. It is a large-scale problem when we need to eradicate the flu from the world. In fact, a large-scale problem can always be broken down into smaller-scale problems. The problems having more younger beggars on the street can be the absence or the limited resources of family planning among the needy people. The problem of parents' awareness about education, the problem of marriage and responsibility, the problem of lack of hardworkingness and self-esteem, the problem of joblessness, and each can also be broken down into its respective subsets. Each subset of problems can be solved more easily. A smaller-scale problem that takes place in the classroom can be exemplified by the student's problem to learn to speak fluent English. This problem can be broken down into the problems of vocabulary, formulaic patterns, sentence patterns, anxiety, and so forth. Today, we have a lot of problems, such as the depleting Earth's natural capital, while we have growing demands of energy and metal, global warming, the running world population growth, nuclear and biological weapons, the aging population, the negative impact of media, nanotechnology, virtual technology, and genetic engineering. We also have potential disastrous problems, such as the threats of AIDS, bird flu, and other new diseases, carbon dioxide emissions, biological and chemical weapons, and tax-savvy criminals. So far, we have not found the satisfactory solutions of having cheaper and more comfortable air transportation, the cure for cancer, more sensitive tsunami detectors, and many, many more. It is almost impossible to understand a problem without trying to solve it. A problem is fully understood when it is already solved. A more complex problem is a problem of which the constraints are mutually contradictory. Improvements in a solution involve the problem of modifying the constraints. We understand the concept of problem in terms of creative problem solving. What is creativity? Creativity means the ability to improve. We are all born to be creative, innovative, and inventive. However, most of our creativity is not cultivated. Being creative in the problem-solving process makes a learner first think and find a novel and valuable solution. And second, get involved in a solution process that requires high motivation and intensity and generally takes place over a considerable span of time. Problem solving is not only an activity to generate new ideas. New ideas alone are useless when they are without many values. Problem-solving skills are part of intelligence that creates lifelong patterns of novel thinking and mastery skills. Highly creative people are those who have heightened reactions to their surroundings. Problem solving in the classroom is a thinking operation of analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. The concept of problem in future problem solving is a problem that might occur in the future, say 10 years ahead, 20 years ahead, or 30 years ahead, when the existing real problems today are not really solved. Being aware of the need of future problem solving wants us to envision the future we desire and then to take steps to move towards it. We need to apply information and expertise in novel ways to meet new challenges. Future problem solving is an effective solution to a real problem. It always assumes that problems can be solved in the future, and more future problems can be prevented to take place. Students are helped to have an interest in solving future events. When students are interested in solving future problems, they will readily forecast the future, search important information, apply the information and expertise to create innovations. Actually, innovations are creative solutions to problems. The farther into the future we can forecast, the more innovative our invention will be. Students need to know that their future problem-solving skill is part of their responsibility as a good citizen. Information skills are part of future problem-solving skills. They are the skills to transform information to knowledge. The process is a goal-directed learning. Students do not search information for piling facts, but they search and use information after analyzing and discussing views of an issue. Information skill is very important before developing a statement of purpose and before finding a solution. Reading the right information helps students broaden their horizon before they make an action plan.